Hello, 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 hello. Okay. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen only. Ain't no ladies that's gonna watch this. Probably. Prove me wrong though. But yeah, I don't even think anyone's gonna watch this. God damn it, bro. That actually is sad. But you know what's not sad? Mm, I made a personal account. That's not sad. My own futures account. I can finally trade ES with no prop firm rules, baby. Hallelujah. I am very looking forward to this. And first off, I just want to let you guys know that my brother. Oh, fuck. I should have not showed that. Ah, no. I just want to let you guys know that I. Fuck, I need to delete that. That my brother met SZA. Yep, you heard me. In Bali, my brother was driving a bike. Not to flex on y'all, but mm, what? Where is everything going? What in the world? Not to flex, guys, but Chene, my brother, said, "SZA, I love you," and then she said, "I love you too, sweetheart." Oh my god, she's so beautiful. Back to business. I took a quick short earlier. I shorted ES on my one of my accounts, um one of my accounts that I'm supposed to full port. Entered at 5625. No, and I sold at 52625, and I just closed it like for a 17 point profit. So that was good. Very good, very good. Let's see what happens. Looking for a dump, retrace to daily open, and maybe potentially a week down. We have we have CB consumer confidence coming up. We have S&P composite H something something. I don't know what that means, but it's gonna affect the US dollar and definitely probably the S&P 500. So released monthly about 60 days after the month ends. This is one of the few seasonally adjusted numbers reported on the calendar as it's the primary calculation of the indicator. It's a leading indicator of the housing industry health. Industry's health because rising house prices attract investors and spur industry activities. Okay, so basically, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Beautiful. I want to know if ChatGPT knows if this is going to be good for the S&P 500 or not. ChatGPT. This is this News is coming out soon. What do you think is going to happen to the ES? Okay, tell me. Oh my god, cramp. Clip that chat. Oh my god, holy shit. No, no bad words. Love, 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 love. I'm studying Kabbalah, guys. Just so you know. If the actual data comes out higher than forecasted, it could indicate a stronger than expected housing market, which might be seen as a positive for the economy. This could potentially lead to a positive reaction in the AS, and as it may suggest robust economic conditions. Investors might view this as a sign of strength in the economy, prompting buying activity in the equity markets. On the other hand, if the data comes in lower than expected, it could signal potential weakness in the housing markets, which might cause some concerns about the broader economic outlook. This could lead to selling pressures on the ES. However, the market's reactions also depends on the broader economic context, including other data releases, Federal Reserve policy expectations, and overall market sentiment at the time. If the market is already jittery about that. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus Christ. I should have taken this trade on the funded account, but I don't really trade until New York opens, and it hasn't opened yet, so I'm gonna take a chill pill and wait till it is officially opened. I'm gonna block Instagram and all um the apps. I'm gonna do it with y'all. Boom. Blocked. No Instagram, no YouTube, no Messenger, no TikTok, no Facebook, no Threads. Me and charts and only charts. If the VIX is going up, that means that no, when it's at a high, you should buy, and when it's low, you should hold or sell. So, for example, here on the 5th of August, check out the S&P 500. 5th of August, right there. It was at the bottom, the absolute bottom. It's really easy to say in hindsight, but just start dollar cost averaging, you know? You gotta, how do you lose in this game? Start dollar cost averaging here, right? There's no way you're gonna lose. Okay. Yeah. Type. I hate saying that. I don't hate anything in life. But yeah, let's see what happens. This hasn't opened yet. Any vector candles? Yes, there is. One over here, two over here. This about to go down. We should short it. Wait, Trader's Reality is making a video, so I'm gonna check it out real quickly. Let's watch it, boys. Bitcoin seller active.
Nggak sabar banget nungguinnya.
Wow, he has 1,000 people watching. I wish I had 1,000 people watching and caring about me.
And then go to the platinum membership where you get 5 trades set up
selling
every
something.
single day.
Something that I would never do to you guys.
Asset classes.
Right?
Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in crypto, Euro, gold, oil,
99,
Nasdaq,
95,
and of course,
scam. Don't.
It depends on other. When I start talking about other assets, but those are the main assets that we focus on. So they are all positively correlated so that if one is not moving as fast, but the other is, you can take advantage of that. And then Euro, for example, might move up a little bit sooner. Well, might move later on. And then you see gold moving up. So you'd be like, oh my God, Euro's yet to make the move on the news. That dollar's going down. So they could actually, you can see how you can benefit from that. So there's a reason why I use those assets. But you get 20% discount when you use the membership discount code, which is new member, pinned to the top of the chat. So get involved in that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be doing an update for the guys after this, because when you join, if you go look at the weekly review video, because you get access to the Discord, I've got this checklist. I'm going to be doing these checklists per request from all the guys, because there's certain strategies they want me to talk about and provide a checklist on. And where we are right now on this checklist is the vectors in the brinks. That's what we're focusing on. So after this live, I'm going to do an update for the guys and give them a heads up on the vectors in the brinks. That's effectively this area right here that Bitcoin is currently trying to formulate. Okay. And the brinks box itself is the money trade. The money trade tells us where Bitcoin's likely to end up. They're going to make a stop run. They've already swept Asia. They haven't tested the daily open yet since they moved away from it from 10 o'clock this morning. Okay. So we've got to be very patient with this. But remember, news is going to be coming out very, very shortly, which could stir the dollar dominance to start making a move higher, because dollar is consolidating sideways. I don't like this. I really don't like it, which then only tells me that Euro is more than likely going to be pulling quite a significant move, which tells me that if data that comes out very shortly shows consumer confidence is doing all good, and the Richmond Manufacturing Index comes in line with higher than what they're expecting, because it's coming in at -14 is what they want, would be a projection of -17. If it comes in anything above -14, so if we get a reading of -9, given that we had a blowout yesterday on durable goods orders, tells me that there's activity in the manufacturing sector. So if durable goods orders are coming in higher, then we can assume that manufacturing reading is going to be positive as well, which means that the economy is doing all good. The idea of a soft landing is something that is actually going to be happening. That means interest rates are probably not going to get increased or decreased as much as the market wants it to, you know? Questions, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get with the questions. What you got for me? Tina, what's your own opinion on all the other YouTubers saying we are going to break out? They said this at 64. We are now at a base of 62. The way I look at it is like this. Look at the weight of reasoning as to why
can't I
they're
comment?
making that
Where's
claim.
the comment section?
Okay. Let's just put it like this. You've got this gentleman here talking about a cup with handle principle. It's going to take a long time. It's a 3-year chart. Okay, so yeah, 290K Bitcoin, what would be the ideal scenario? Well, first things first, to get to a 290K Bitcoin, all right, the US government needs to start stepping in and picking it up. And looking at their balances, you can see that they currently hold 203 Bitcoin. 203,000 Bitcoin, all right? UK government holds 61,000. The German government has got coffee money right there. And El Salvador is killing it. Mm-hmm. Love El Salvador. Mad love to all the guys in El Salvador, man. I like that guy. But that's too far away. Now, if people are expecting Bitcoin to break out, what needs to happen? Well, Bitcoin, to get to the all-time high again, We need to see Bitcoin get back up to 68. And I'm not paying attention to 68 until Bitcoin can break 65. All right? Now, when someone says, I expect it to go to this price point, I've given you my logic and my reasoning for
anyone on
why I think Bitcoin's going to go to 80K in September. It's right here. 80K. Logic and my reasoning for why I think Bitcoin's going to go to 80K in September.
Nice.
It's right here. This chart. 150 years of the US stock market, ladies and gentlemen. Any event and every event that has happened since, forgive me, the 1900s. That's when it started. And below, remember last night when we were talking? Talking about economic expansion? So, check this out. From 1990, right? When the NASDAQ was around the 400 mark, I think it was, yeah. Yeah, I think, no, the Dow Jones. Yeah, well, I don't know what it was. Can't see it from here. But 1900, right? We went on a 220-month expansion, which took us to the high in 2000. Then you had the tech bubble craze and all that stuff, and then everything collapsed. From that collapse, there was a 73-month economic expansion. After that 73-month economic expansion, what did you have? Subprime mortgage crisis. Okay, cool. Next. You had, where is it? The longest one. The longest expansion, well, collectively, in the same 2 year, yeah. The longest expansion period was from 1982, no, sorry. So from 1970, right? Going all the way through to 1980, those 10 years, there was 4 instances when the economies economically expanded. Okay, so they contracted, then economic expansion, contraction, economic expansion, right? Then after that, the market in the 1990s ended up going to a recession in the 90s and then bang, it corrected for about 3-4 months, okay? This is my 80K Bitcoin. Why? Because human nature doesn't change, man. And behind every single instance, when the federal funds rate at the top is getting adjusted, whether it's to be increased or decreased, it leads to certain behaviors. History shows us that when the Fed cuts the interest rates, it means it's quantitative easing. Okay, so that means what? Money is going to get a little bit cheaper. We've had high interest rates for a long time. So when money gets cheaper, it does what? It starts to circulate more. I'm not going to start talking about the M2 money supply story just yet. I'm going to dive into that tonight because that's just looking very interesting for us. But principle says that when money is cheaper, you can go and put it to work because it doesn't cost you much. Then you can seek risk. But the market's not in that spot right now, which is why by the time we get to the Fed cut on September the 18th, that's where I believe Bitcoin will top out. We'll see a correction, and that's when we can start buying more Bitcoin off the back of a cheaper dollar. That's it. What's the reasoning for any other YouTuber? They could be technical, which is nothing wrong with that. But look at where we are right now. Why would someone go and buy a Bitcoin? Why would a big mutual fund go and pick up Bitcoin? And if a mutual fund or a hedge fund manager wants to pick up Bitcoin, he's going to be looking around, well, what can I get more of it with? Am I going to get more of it with dollars? Am I going to get more of it with euros? What am I going to do? And when we understand how that can have an impact, I mean, everyone was saying that, I did see online that when Bitcoin dropped last Monday, it's because whales had moved money into exchanges. Get out of here, bruv. It was nothing to do with crypto. It was all to do with the carry trade. Japan increased the interest rates, but we've been talking about carry trades for a long time. And then they just smacked it. And then that's when everything dropped. So if you're looking for someone that's giving you a price projection on Bitcoin, try and see if they're married into the story of what's going on right now. Some of you might be like, Tina, man, this is Bitcoin, bro. They ain't going to allow this. They ain't going to do this. Bitcoin's going to go, go, go. I keep on hearing people saying Bitcoin's going to go, 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 but it hasn't gone. And this is the problem that I've got. It's now in Wall Street's hands. People are still thinking about Bitcoin back in the day when Larry wasn't about, when the idea of Bitcoin was frowned upon by Wall Street. And you heard me saying it. Wait till Wall Street gets into crypto. You're going to love it, but you're going to hate it at the same time. All right? And that's my opinion. I hope that answers your question, my friend. I really do hope it does. Any questions on that? I'm getting rid of this trade, by the way. There we are. I'm going to get rid of it because there's no point.
Damn, how much did you make?
$395. Done.
$395.
That's me. I'm fine with that. Cool. Anyways, any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? When is the best time to sign up for platinum? First month, or if I sign up tomorrow, do I get billed twice this month? No, you don't get billed. You get billed from the day that 1 month from the day that you join. So if you join on the 17th, you get billed again on the 17th. If you join on the 27th, you get billed on the 27th of each month. But if you do, make sure you use the new membership code, okay? Because you get 20% off on your first month. All right. Any other questions? Any other questions? Tino, it's upside down. What's upside down? It would be upside down because I'm not sharing anyways. Any other questions? Well, pretty much. Here we go. Can you join for free? Oh, well, do your homework in China and especially Hong Kong ETF and how they plan to using up their dollar supply. Yeah, I understand that. Tino, if miners are selling OTC, who are the OTC buyers? Not retail. They're not retail. No, they're not. Do you guys remember when the ETF, I'm going to get this out, get this information out for you. It's in the live streams, all right? Do you guys remember when the ETF of Bitcoin first came out? Yeah? And there was all this, when they're going to start buying? When are we going to see the buying happening? It was all being done on the OTC markets. We weren't able to see who was getting involved in the ETF in the first instance. We wanted to see these transfer agents who are acting on behalf of the APs, the authorized participants who are allowed to engage in the ETF, JP Morgan, Bank of America, BlackRock, okay? The APs. We weren't able to see those transactions in the first place. So they were probably going around to OTC markets, right? Where's your Bitcoin? Where's your Bitcoin at? And they were just consuming it. Now miners are doing effectively the same thing. They're consuming, they're going into the OTC markets and they're waiting to see who's going to be buying it. We know they're buying it, ladies and gentlemen. All right. We know they are because Bitcoin's pulling down. It's dropping. All right. You pay attention to when it drops. That's when they buy. When price is being projected to mark up, okay, you're being sell liquidity. That's what you are. You are the exit liquidity. I want Bitcoin's price to go up. I need to see it come down to prove to me that they want it cheaper first for it to go up. So it's cause and effect. That's what I'm looking at. Tino, what will happen in the bonds market after the pivot? They will crash too. It all depends. If the yields shoot up, because that's right now the yields are really low, okay? And that's effectively the government saying, look, we've got a lot of people sat in bonds right now, so they are in low risk, okay? And once the interest rate comes in, because we know we're getting an interest rate cut, but we don't know how much of it is going to have an impact on the marketplace. They want the jumbo cuts. That means that investors that are in the bonds are either going to wait for the cut. When the cut happens, the market's either going to just stay in the bonds because they're not liking the rate cut itself because it's not enough, or they're going to enjoy the cut and they're happy with the rate cut. That means they're going to pull their liquidity from the bonds market and then go to the high risk, which is the stock market, the NASDAQ and the S&P. But this is why everyone's confused. Where's the risk to reward on the NASDAQ from an investor's point of view? Why would he be buying stocks now when it's already at significant highs before a Fed pivot? Doesn't make sense. How many years are you in this financial bubble? You are, I won't say, no, look, I'll tell you what, I'm 39 years of age. I don't look my age at all, ladies and gentlemen. My paper round was digital back in the day. I had to just click a button. That was it, jokes aside. I started off very, very young, okay? I placed my first trade when I was 16 years old, okay? And the stock that I bought was ATW. It was listed in the London Stock Exchange. It was an oil exploration company. And I just hit luck from that point. All right. I had £500-600 and I loaded up on this stock because it was cheap. It was literally tuppence. And then before you know it, it shot up to like £3-4. Okay. And I have this stack of money at 16 from a single trade that I opened in my pajamas. So I was like, yeah, I like this business model. Of course, we lost that money, but that's the name of the game.
That's the name of the game.
But
Exactly.
I've been around the game for a while. And when you understand how certain economies work, like I've done the homework, guys. I've studied this chart over and over. I read the articles.
There's
what are people
3
trying to
viewers.
say,
Hello. Can
relationships
anyone
with
say something in the
bonds,
chats, please?
equities,
Hello.
yields, derivatives. I've got
Say
derivatives book this thick that I've had to go through many, many times.
Please.
You know, these instruments that we use, you come to the charts and you buy Bitcoin, all right? I'm not going to go into what the story is with options and derivatives, like true derivatives, how they work out, the swaps and what have you. You know, when you see in the articles, they talk about swap deals and whatnot. Okay? Swap traders. What's a swap trader, ladies and gentlemen? What are interest rate traders? Like, who are these people? You know, LIBORs and London Interbank Offer Rate, you know, the rate that banks exchange money at. Why is that important? But we pay attention to technical analysis. There is an element to it. If you don't see the psychology behind technical analysis, then technical analysis, just technical analysis in your trading, it's going to put you at a fault. It really is. You're going to be behind. You need to be thinking about why it breaks out of a wedge. Why does it break out of a triangle or a Toblerone or whatever? What's the reasoning for it? Because people are coming in and consuming it. And in order for them to consume it, someone has to be there waiting for them to appear, buying and selling. That's the basis of it all, guys. I use prop firms. I use my live accounts. I take money from prop firms and put it into my live accounts because prop firms give you money for free when you're trading and taking advantage of that capital. That's the whole point of prop firms. You're getting money for free. Sticking with the prop firm, you know, it's a very taboo industry. But get your money in, get your money out, and go and do what you need to do. It's just free money, you know? Tell me what hedge fund manager's using his own cash. They ain't using their cash. That's why they can say to you, oh, that we're down this month. What are you going to do? Oh, God. How much is it to withdraw the capital? Yeah, you're going to incur a management fee. And all right, don't worry about it. Hedge fund still carries on. He's putting your money to work. That's exactly what prop firms are in principle. You put their money to work. Take what you can. And just load up your bag. That's how it works.
Load up your bag. That's what we doing, boys. I'm down, but...
Sell the chart as merch. Nah, man. Any other questions? Where we go? Here we go. I just saw that question. Don't you removed it? Okay. I got a question. Can a trader loses the edge? And if yes, what should you do to fix it? What if one day we do things differently without intention? All right, let me explain something. Okay. Trading is about edge. Yes, you need to have an understanding of what's going on.
I love Tino with all my heart. He's going to make me a multi-millionaire.
Yeah, Bitcoin's going down, don't worry. But more importantly, trading's about adapting. All right? If your edge says you go long here, but you can see that the markets aren't reacting in that way, and there's bad news, what are you going to do? Not going to take the trade? Because your trade system says go long. What do? You adapt. All right? That's what you have to do. Traders are about adapting. That's all it is. My view of Bitcoin at this point in time will be different in the next 10 minutes. That's my frequency of trading. Okay? When I make money in the charts, I take it out. Finished. I have no interest what Bitcoin does. NASDAQ could be collapsing right now. Let me just have a look at NASDAQ for a split second. Okay? Did I sell prematurely? Yes, I did. Look at NASDAQ.
Yeah,
it's gone. I expected that. But I'm not in my frame. I'm not paying attention to it. I'm not looking at the orders. But I took $412. Cool. 20 minutes work.
Ooh.
From the second I started the live, that's when I had the trade open. Happy days. Don't need to do anything else. I took from the market. Took from them yesterday. That put us now at $3,500 in 2 days trading. I'm fine with that on my personal accounts. I just let them grow like that. I'm fine. Don't need to force anything. Because it will come down, then it will come back up. And if it really means a business, it will come back down again. We'll trade it. But we've got NVIDIA news announcements coming out. So that's me done. Don't want to trade anymore. Not until NVIDIA comes out. Because when the news comes out for NVIDIA, bang, That's when it will get interesting.
Bang.
Very, very interesting.
Very, very.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, mad love and respect. I hope you've had an enjoyable live stream. Bitcoin is making a bit of a move, but I'm going to be getting an update over to the guys in the Platinum membership just to break down what we got, what we're going to see happening.
Membership, boys.
But take this information and do what you will with it. Bitcoin is about to get cheaper, but the buyers are stepping in on Bitcoin. So do not lose your minds. If you're going to play the idea of getting Bitcoin on the cheap, wait till you see a point in the chart when everyone is losing their brain, when the sellers are really stepping in, because they can only sell when someone buys. And when you start seeing that stopping, that's when your reversal's coming into play. All right? Mad love and respect, gang. Take care of yourselves, and I'll check in with you all tonight.
Peace.
Why is he winking twice? What a guy.
What? Is he still on? Jesus. Another banger. This is absolute boom. Mm, 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 mm. How many dues is your boy gonna pay? How many intros I go? I guess your shit like I'm Jacko. I've been like this way from the get-go. Okay, gap down on Nvidia. Kill like yes. Oh, Jesus. Oh God, bossy. Not too much volatility, I'd say. Hashtag yet. I should have gone long. We were at the bottom of the range. Actually, thank God I didn't go long. Of course. That's how traders are always. They're always actively saying like, I should have done something. But then if it would have not went out in their way, they're like, yes, thank God I didn't do anything. You know? I passed this funded account. It took me 2 months to pass. And I finally did it. And hopefully, if God agrees, let's get that payout from Apex. And I'm going to transfer the money from the funded accounts to the personal account, my personal account, my very own personal account. Hey. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. So the reason why I went short here earlier was because I saw this green vector candle and it was on the 5, 50, and 30 EMA. So my brain was like, okay, Yeshe, green vector candles, which is this candle right here, represents high selling volume. But when high selling volume happen, it's on the back of a high selling volume, like people selling to people that are buying. But who's buying and who's selling? That's the most important questions that you can ask yourself. Okay. Basically, what happens here is retail is losing the shit and they start buying up here. But as they buy here, smart money, aka me, we sell here. We sell where people are buying. And yeah, the rest is history. And the opposite is also true, right? So when you see a red vector candle and it closes on the 50 MA and like basically support, that's a good indication that you should buy the given asset. Any given asset. This strategy works with everything, okay? Doesn't happen on Bitcoin too much. ES always happens because there's always volatility during New York session. But as you can see, right over here, this was New York session. Yeah, price, red vector candle was on support and it was liquidity for price to go towards, right? There was red vector candles here. So it jumped from there. It doesn't happen all the time, like I said. But on the very smaller time frames, you can take advantage of this. Here, look at this. Kind of shabby, but price, red vector candle at the bottom on support, and it pumps up 30%. That's massive, right? Also here, this one is blue vector candle towards resistance, and then boom, price dropped. So yeah, yeah man. That's how it goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with Chubbs through highs and lows. You see, man, last night they froze. Wasn't no camera, wasn't no pose. Just like that one time at Chilla. Good thing man was pulling out phones. So I'm gonna trade literally as soon as this thing goes off. Hopefully, maybe, potentially. Let's see. If we can see, yes. This is exactly what I need. This is exactly what I need. This is exactly what I need. Literally what I've been teaching you guys, right? Green vector candle towards a resistance means that price should go down. Oh, do you guys hear that? Okay, see on the 1 hour time frame. I really base my trades off the 1 hour time frame. Let's see how this all pans out. But I am expecting a rise. Literally what I've been drawing the whole time. A rise towards resistance and a dump there, and hopefully it'll reach the target of this wick. I don't think it's going to happen immediately, right? I don't think it's going to drop 25 points to the downside immediately, but I do think that we can capitalize on a maybe potentially 9 point game. So if I opened a one contract, it would be 9 times 50. That would be $450 profit if I get this trade right. So hopefully you guys can watch me actually cop this. Really hope that it all pans out perfectly and nothing goes wrong. sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. But I hope that makes sense, guys. That's literally my strategy. 5, 13, and 50 EMA. Green vector candles, red vector candles. Boom. That is all. See, yep. This is good. We are looking for shorts, ladies and gents, okay? This is really good. This is really, really good. Clip this, okay? No viewers. I'm about to make 500K. I mean, sorry, $500. Okay, okay, price is going up. I. I'm gonna sell a little bit right now. Okay, beautiful. We just sold some. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm not joking. This is a really good setup. I'm gonna actually. Ooh, it's going quite crazy. I'm gonna let this one be quite big. This is before news announcement though. I need to take the risk. I'm scared that they're gonna like whip me out last second. Hold on, I'm gonna add more. They did video pump. Let's check out Nvidia real quickly. 5 more minutes and I can potentially 5 more minutes. Yep. That was Trader's Reality. Hmm. Let's check out Nvidia real quickly if that's possible. Okay, pumping. 35 minutes, close in 35 minutes. Kind of wild. Oh, yeah, this is a dump also for Nvidia, I'm guessing. Pretty sure, pretty sure. Oh my God, we've got 4 views? I don't understand. Okay, but Nvidia is going to the moon. To the absolute moon. Alright, boys, I'm really ready for this. I'm really ready, okay? I'm gonna maybe sell. No. We're in the trade. We're in the trade. We are in. Come on. We are in the trade, boys. Let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So yeah, what I'm expecting is, as you guys can see, I'm gonna post this on my Telegram on my Telegram real quickly. If you haven't, please join. It's free. Y'all will learn a lot. Beautiful community, by the way. So, what are you waiting for? Like literally, what are you waiting for? Nothing. Yeshe, yeshe, yeshe. Discussions. Short on the SP 500. Let's see how it goes. Boom. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, this is the 1 minute time frame, and I just want to show you guys where my entry was. Right, right there. That was my exact entry. Should we just see how it pans out, I guess? This is a massive 10-point loss would be 500. Oh my God, I'm risking 500 for whatever. Um, eh, let's see. I guess we are risking 500. It has potential to go all the way down to these levels. Liquidity there. Let's just add that as target. Okay. So yeah, maybe add another one. I'm highly considering adding another one. I'm gonna add another one on my personal account. So ladies and gentlemen, take a deep breath. And we wait. It's gone 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, news should be out now. Let's see how our trade goes. I see price going up. Oh, that's better. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, it is pumping a little up. Okay, there's a potential for a price to go. Yeah. Yep. Okay, my mom just told me to turn off all the lights. So you guys are gonna have to watch me in the dark. But yeah. I'm gonna turn this off because delete that. Oh wow. Whoa. Okay, starting to reach. Not to reach, but okay, beautiful. I'm just gonna stick with my strategy to be honest. I'm just gonna wait. They just wicked this. Oh no. Ah. Okay, on the 1 hour I should wait. On the 50-minute I should wait. I'm gonna just wait it out, guys, and see how it goes. Here you guys can watch it on the 1 minute, and I'll turn this off. See how it goes. Good luck. Wait, never mind. I need to check this out, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Should I close it off early? Because it's not on the EMAs. It's none of them are in the EMAs. I think it will pump a little bit, maybe potentially. Hold on. Maybe a little bit more to the 50 EMA on the 15-minute, and then it can potentially go back down again. I. Okay, this is the beautiful part about trading. Okay, it's on daily open, under daily open. Vector candles towards it. Come on, yep, yep. That's what we like. Come on, come on now. Come on. Retrace to the 5 and 13. Yep. Let's go. Okay, yeah, the opening range for the New York Open is acting as support right now. But I do think it's gonna break down. Let's see this break down. Come on. Come on. There's vector candles to the downside that need to be recovered. Let's go. Okay, this is a test from God and test from the market gods. I want to put my stop loss here. Oh, ah. What does my strategy tell me, Ash? Come on. Come on. This is the most thrilling night ever, bro, when it comes to trading. I thought I was gonna just dump from here, to be honest, but because it was on 13 EMA. But you know what? Can't trust them too much, but alright, let's go. Come on. VIX going down. VIX, when the VIX is at a low, you hold. And when it's at a high, you buy. You shouldn't be buying right now. It's on a low, so you should hold. Nvidia is also pulling back slightly, which is good actually. 22 minutes for Nvidia to close its hourly candle. So price can do whatever it wants from now till then. Wow. Bitcoin is taking a nose dive. It's going down. Ethereum also. Solana, I made a projection on it. Dump, rise, retrace, continuation. Not happening just yet. I do think that there's a potential for price to get rejected off the zone, but it'd have to close here first. I think it's going for it. This is gonna be a $200 loss if it reaches this bar, and I'm ready for that, I think. I mean, who's ready for a loss, you know? Hmm. Okay, come on. This is good. This is looking good. If this closes as a blue candle, mark my words, next few candles is gonna be red. We just need it to close blue. And then we're good. Then we're chilling. Okay, come on. Let's go to the 1 minute. I might add another position. I might add another one. I'm gonna go double or down. Down or double. Okay. Come on. Close negatively. Mm, come on. This really looks like it's just gonna go down. Really think this is gonna go down. Oh my god, I nearly closed this trade so many times. Come on. This has to work. God is just testing me right now. The markets is testing me. Come on. So close to my stop, bro. Okay. Not a blue one, but it's still possible for me to actually close this trade positively. How are these trades doing? Okay, not so well just yet. 2 more minutes. This is just gonna go back and forth for another hour, bro. This is gonna be really draining. But I guess this is my job, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It should reach here. A lot of stops there. And also previous violet vector candle. My God, it's so close to my stop. I really do not want to lose this trade. Like, God, just this one trade I don't want to lose. I mean, okay, I don't want to lose any trade to be honest, but it feels so good to have areas to breathe once price goes down a little bit, bro. Seriously. Ah, come on. Yes. 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 I'm still in the red. But this is good. Oops. Ouch. Sorry. No sorries. Come on. Come on. 40. Best case scenario is if price closes below this. If price closes below that, I'm gonna go extra market. I could add another position right now. Okay. Next candle might pump. Yeah. Uh, this is kind of knew that was gonna happen. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Okay, why is it lagging now? Come on. Oh my God, the connection. So I need to get a little video because this is just vibes, but I'm gonna remember this live stream, bro. I just want to say thank you, God, for giving me the opportunity to do this. I'm excited. Don't know where it's going, but excited. And I meant that from the bottom of my heart. Okay. Come on. I want to see the first ever profit from my funded account. Mm-hmm. Yes, sweetie.
I'm still driving the bike right now. I'm like, oh shit, okay, I'm sorry, Scissor.
You said it's just. I'm sorry.
No, I was like, I'm sorry, Scissor.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, I was with my Indo friend, right? I was like,
Mm-hmm.
tin, artis. And
Mm-hmm.
then my friend was like, oh mana. Yang tadi tu.
Oh, what? She was at the back or something?
She was behind us.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, and my friend was like, Kamsel. I'm like, no, nggak di situ.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, ya mau yang bawa, aku dah yang bawa, mau yang rekam. Habis dia kayak, yeah. We were in front.
Oh, and then you
I
parked.
probably changed like position.
Mm-hmm.
Scissor passed us. I
Of
went
course.
behind. I went full gas. And I was like,
Mhm.
Scissor, I love you. And she was like, I love you too, sweetie. And I'm like, bro.
Cutie.
She made me so happy, bro. I skipped one party for that.
That's not the reason you skipped though. That's not cap. Okay, but as soon as price goes over the 5 and 13 EMA, like professionally, I'm cutting the close. I'm closing the trade. See, there's green vector candles. What does this mean? At the 50 EMA, it's not breaking through anything with it. Okay, if it doesn't close off here strong, I mean, yeah, if it doesn't close off here strong, I'm closing the trade. 10 minutes. Check it out. All right, I'm gonna disconnect from the charts a little bit. All right, enjoy the trade, and I'm gonna peace out a little bit. I mean, I don't know if I can peace out, to be honest. I'm scared. Come on, this is God testing me again. Let's go. Let's go, God. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, God. Give me a chance. Let's go. Maybe go 2 contracts. Hmm. It's looking very weak though. It really is. Yeah. This 13 EMA I feel like is holding price back, and I still think that we are still due to go down to recover this, and I will be gaining 9.7 points. Let's go. Ouch. Yikes. Mhm. That was not nice. I'm 49, 440 now. Oh my god. Damn. I'm gonna change the title of this video. I swear it's gonna dump after this though. Okay, 35 more minutes. I'm gonna try and catch something. It's sad, bro. We are down $660. What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? Seriously though. Why? What did I actually do to deserve this? Been praying on this since we were kids. Oh, let me close this trade. Holy shit. Yikes. Not looking good. Hmm. Still a little sad. Sorry, I'm not gonna talk for a bit, bro. Stomach feels a little funny and funky. I also feel a little funky and weird. Fuck, I should have not listened to Trader's Reality, bro. He always says this. He always says something similar to what I'm saying. Connection. Tomorrow's news announcement is FOMC member. Nothing basically. Let's get something tomorrow, I guess. Maybe trade now. Hmm. What was I gonna check out real quickly? I think it should dump from here. This is what I wanted to check. I'm gonna share short Nvidia. Boom. Nvidia sold. Never mind. Maybe touches the psychological low and then goes down. Let's check this out. God damn. $250 loss. What a pleasure. That means I can learn, right, guys? I'm learning more. Only 550. Come on. Only 550. It says here. I know it says somewhere else. There it is. I want to see this. Where can I see this data? 3 big glasses in a row. My win rate is 100%. I have a 100% losing rate. Well, I really want to see where my liquidation level is. Where do I check that out? And Apex? Come on, man. That's too easy. Come on, man. That's too easy. No, seriously, like, what a pleasure to lose, you know? You tried your best. I mean, yeah, didn't try enough. Because if you tried enough, you would have succeeded, I feel like. Or no, actually, that's just how the trade, that's just how being a trader is, bro. Look at this. No rise, no rise, retrace, and then continuation. Just massive bump to the upside. Trying to capitalize on this resistance zone right here, right? And nothing happened. I knew it was gonna pump like that. I just knew it. You wanna say so? Didn't even notice the punches that you rolled. Got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Didn't even notice the punches that you rolled with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? I gotta update my beautiful Telegram group. Well, it went with my favor for a little bit, but then, yeah, you know what happened? Try to run it back 100 times. The world is yours, but the city's mine. Can't believe you told me that I was. Oh. Evaluation chart. Nope. It's not evaluation chart. It's the PAU chart. Okay, this needs to be updated. We are currently. Where is that chart? You can see exactly where. Trying to find out. Hello, where can you find it? There. Should we? Nah. Nuh-uh. Can you kill it? Okay, hold on. Trying to do the maths. 550. Yep. $1,900 left. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let me screenshot this and send it to my mom. Yeah, let me send it to mother first. You guys are actually watching me live saying, Mama, I'm sorry. But I have. Wow. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for today. Thank you for tuning in. Love you guys. Bye. Love.